Hi, my name is Rebecca Sarmanto. I'm a park aide for California State Parks. And today on Craft Corner, we are going to be making coffee filter butterflies. To start, here's some fun information about the butterfly. The most seen butterfly in Northern California is the pipevine swallowtail. These butterflies are typically large and have vibrant colors to them. Scientists estimate that there are between 15,000 and 20,000 different species of the butterfly. Butterflies are herbivores and they feed on nectar from flowers in the area. They rely mostly on their taste, where their taste receptors are on the bottom of their feet. Now that you know a little bit about the butterfly, let's start our craft. What you'll need is some washable markers, which are here, coffee filters, a spray bottle with water in it, and 2 pipe cleaners, as well as a piece of paper. The first thing you want to do is lay out your piece of paper flat on a surface and take 1 coffee filter and flatten it out in front of you as flat as you could get it. Next, you could take any color marker that you want and just make a fun design. It could be any design you want, make it random. It makes it more fun. And so that is what I'm doing now. The paper is just so it does not bleed on a countertop or a table, because with the markers, the color will bleed through the coffee filter. I'm just going to color this one real quick in random colors. And try to leave no white on the coffee filter. So now that I got my first one done, I'm going to grab a second one, and on that same piece of paper, just flatten the second one out as flat as you can get it as well, and repeat what you did with the first. Alright, once you get 2 coffee filters colored, what you want to do is take it and color side up, you're going to fold it in half and do that for both of them. So just take it and fold it in half. So you should get 2 half circles. Next, you're going to pinch the center and just pinch it up. So you will get a wing. And you're doing the same for the bottom one as well. So you will get 2 wings now, and you should have a top and a bottom. You want to take your pipe cleaners next. Try to get them as straight as you can and line them up. Make enough room for you to have 2 antennas and spread them apart, and then just wrap this part around just like that. So it should look like this. And then take your bottom, put it in the opposite direction so your wings are facing down, and just do the same thing that you did for the top. And then straighten your wings out. So it should now look like this. What you want to do next is take the bottom and just push it up and twist. And that will keep it in place. Now for the fun part, where you take your spray bottle and water and watch the colors blend together just by spraying it. And then you turn it around and spray the other side. And then you have your finished butterfly. Well, that is it for this craft corner. We hope to see you again, and don't forget to follow us on our social media. Thank you.